Have you ever been reading a textbook or listening to a lecture and suddenly hit a word that makes absolutely no sense? It is like a tiny roadblock that can stop your understanding in its tracks, making you feel stuck and frustrated. When you encounter unfamiliar terms, the best strategies involve active engagement and multiple resources, focusing on understanding context, using reliable definitions, and integrating the new word into your knowledge base. This approach works because truly understanding a new term goes beyond just memorizing a definition. It involves building connections in your brain. By exploring the term's context, seeking different explanations, and actively using it, you create stronger neural pathways, making it much harder to forget the meaning. First, always look for contextual clues around the word itself. Often, the surrounding sentences or paragraphs will provide hints, synonyms, or examples that can help you grasp its meaning without even leaving the page. Second, if context is not enough, try breaking the word down. Many complex terms are built from smaller, recognizable parts like prefixes, suffixes, and root words. Understanding these components can often unlock the overall meaning, especially in scientific or academic language. Third, use a reliable dictionary or glossary. Do not just read the first definition. Look at multiple definitions, especially those that fit your specific subject area. Pay attention to examples of the word in use, as these can really clarify its nuances. Finally, do not just define it and forget it. After you clarify the term, actively integrate it into your understanding. Try to explain the word in your own words, use it in a sentence, or even teach it to someone else. This is where real learning happens. A powerful technique that many top students use is called the Feynman technique. This involves explaining the concept as if you were teaching a 10-year-old. This process forces you to simplify the term, identify gaps in your own understanding, and solidify your grasp of its meaning. It transforms a passive definition into an active, deeply understood concept. By consistently applying these methods, you will not just clarify terms, but truly own them, turning potential learning barriers into stepping stones for deeper knowledge and better retention.